Good morning. Good morning, kids, Rockstars. Good morning, Macy. Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. This is part 2 and day 2 for our vlog, and we are here in the town looking for some breakfast options. We can't really find much options because we only eat halal food or vegetarian food. So we looked around in the town. The town is Mansfield, but really in the morning everything is closed. We tried to find some pancake options in the breakfast, but it was closed as well. So the only option that we have right now is Subway. So we're gonna eat a vegetarian burger at Subway, and I hope my kids like it. And yeah, see you at the Mount Bullard.
Oh, no, don't put your hand in my mouth. No. I'm gonna get snowman nose.
Baby, I love you. Oh, guys, bit of out of breath. I just sent the girls for a ski lesson, and I'm bringing these kiddos by myself. It's just such a high speed. I'm out of breath. I hope my kids and have fun. And no, you can do anything in life no matter what. Okay, kids? Alright, I'm coming. I hope I reach there. Finally, I reached the top, and these are the amazing angels who helped me, because it was a very long way and very steep slope, so they helped me. They're like angels, they're the best. Leo and Darcy. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Germany.
Adelaide. Wow, you guys are angels. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Bye. Welcome to Rockstars. You guys excited to go skiing?
Yes.
You gonna have some fun?
Yes.
Let's do it.
It's really going. It's exciting. Bye. You guys, I'm gonna stay from there till we are. It's gonna be awesome. Come on.
I'm so proud of them. It's the first time that they are doing the ski lessons, and I'm really glad that they are doing something that they wanted to do.
That was hard. That was awesome. I learned how to do skiing, and it's so awesome and fun. And it was a bit like a, crazy experience and fun. And I really love it.
Hi, Meakaeel. Come here. So guys, yesterday I asked him and he gave me the most cutest answer. I want to share it with you all as well. So Meakaeel, where are we?
And the snowman house.
It's a snowman house. Oh my god. I find it really cute because I have never heard it before. So I asked him like, Meakaeel, where are we going? And he said, we're going to the snowman house. Like, I love them so much, and these are the special moments that we parents don't want to miss ever. I want to be in their life every second of their life, every moment. Only when they're growing up. Hey, Vicky, I'm gonna try it on you. Woohoo! What can be best than these moments, guys? Make sure you capture as well when you go with your family. Make videos, They grow up so fast. You're gonna miss out on these moments. And look what they're doing to us. Mickey! This time will never come back. So I'm just trying. I'm not a professional vlogger, or like I'm not a professional videographer even. I just try to do my best what I can do with them and make the videos for them. Please like and subscribe their channel because that really helps our channel. And my kids, they get really excited when their subscribers grow. So yeah, thank you. Let's keep having fun. That's like my daughter. She falls, she got up, and now she's preparing to come down again. That's what we have to teach our children. Never give up. Try again. I'm so proud of her. She's amazing. She's a superstar. This is very important for us parents to give our children the opportunity to see the challenges and experiences so that they can learn. Come on, Mishall! Come on! You can do it! Guys, it might not look very steepy to you guys in the video, but this is very high steep. This is a very high. She's coming now. My superstar, my rock star. She is true rock star. This is amazing. Well done. Well done, Mishall. Well done. Wow, Mishall! Rock star!
Fun. I went on top of the mountain, but I fell so much. But I nailed it!
Yay!
And I loved skiing. It was so fun. You know, all the way from the top, there were these bumps coming up. I fell a lot as well, but it was awesome, and I loved it. Yeah. We're gonna verse each other, and we're gonna go down the hill. It's gonna be amazing. You have to watch us. Tell us who wins. I will win, she will lose.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So guys, now the race has started. Let's see who's gonna start. Woo! Mishall is the winner. Woo! Awesome! Come on, Eshaal, you can do it! Come on, my rock star! Come on, Eshaal, you can do it! Woohoo! Woohoo! I love you, Eshaal! Whoa, check that out!
I'm so proud of myself that I came from on top of the mountain till the
No, बहुत तेज बोल रही है, समझ नहीं आ रहा हो रहा है। सांस लेके आराम से बोल। 1, 2, 3, go.
Guys, I'm so proud of myself that I came from on top of the mountain to the bottom. And I'm such a pro at it. When you get some classes, you will be a pro in just 1 minute. Yee! Let's get started. making more.
Oh my god, Mishall, you have camouflaged. Literally, guys. I can't see her. It's beautiful snowflakes. As you can see, my energy is all drained and I'm so tired, super tired after a whole day of skiing. But we had such a difficult time finding for the halal food in Mount Buller because most of the options, they were not halal or vegetarian. So this place, Pat's Italian restaurant, is just right on top of that bus stand where you catch the bus from. So it's right up next to it. So it's the best place, and they have halal chicken and lamb and heaps of Italian options with halal food. So it's the best place where you can eat, and trust me, they are very good. And I'm gonna show you what type of food we ordered. And
it's the best time with Kids Rockstars.
Yeah, and I hope their food tastes really good. And we just ordered, and we are waiting for our turn now. We'll show you soon what we ordered.
Yeah, but
Gabriel is super hungry. Gabriel, can you cry for me, please? He's not crying now. Just waiting for our food. Here he goes. He's super hungry and he can't tolerate. God! Oh my god. Look, he's angry. But I'm not giving him food. He's super angry. Food is coming.